Whether it's a keynote lecture to hundreds of people or a toast at a dinner party, follow the code of the presentation road for a smooth ride. Breathe, focus, organize, practice and perform.
Will, I hope this isn't going to be a problem. The board of directors want an update on your team. Just a quick presentation. 20 minutes.
Have you ever been thrown a last-minute presentation? Instead of visualizing the best possible outcome, we start imagining the very worst. Everyone will laugh at us. We'll forget what to say. We'll turn bright red.
All I can see are things going horribly wrong.
Look, take a few deep breaths. Walk around the room. And remember that they asked you to give this talk. You have information that they want that only you know.
Here, Emily is right. The first step of your journey is to take a few deep breaths. Get some fresh air or a short walk. Admit it's natural to be nervous. Like any good father, Will teaches Ben about the presentation code. Breathe, focus, organize, practice and perform. Focus involves deciding on your goals and finding a way to connect with your audience. Focusing on a single goal, or at most two main goals, will help clarify your presentation. Here, Will and Ben decide on a single goal: taking Julie to the movies. After you have your goal in mind, it's time to focus on your audience. Find a connection with your audience. Learn about your audience beforehand, perhaps by conducting a survey in advance, and focus on the common ground to build a rapport.
You like Harry Potter, right?
Yeah.
Julie, no doubt, likes Harry Potter too.
Yeah.
Job's done. You start talking about the film, you find common ground. She wants to talk to you.
Once you know your audience, you're ready to organize your presentation. Brainstorm ideas with an open mind, but then put on your editor's hat and eliminate unnecessary detail. Lastly, remember your goals. Does your audience really need to know how that techie gadget works? Perhaps not. Save the details for handouts or one-on-one conversations. When you're ready, prepare your information. If you're using a program like PowerPoint, use original images and make sure your slides are readable with clean, large fonts and a contrasting background. The most important element in the presentation code is practice. As Will told his son Ben, most of your fear will go away with practice. Let's face it, practicing a speech can be a bit embarrassing, so practice on your own at first. Then, when you're ready, talk through your presentation with someone else with the purpose of getting them to review the content.
Will, are you hiding in here?
Yeah, no, I'm just getting organised. Actually, would you mind listening to a quick run?
No, not at all. I'm glad you asked.
Cool.
The final step of the code is perform. Throughout the presentation, stay focused on reaching your goal. Remember, a presentation is a type of performance. Vocal delivery and body language count. Lastly, always close with a call to action. The presentation itself is only the last step of the code. By taking care of the first 4 steps, you'll be ready to shine in the performance and perhaps even doing a victory dance at the end, if you've got the moves. You're now licensed to follow the code of the presentation road. Remember, breathe, focus, organize, practice and perform. Good luck.